Hello, Leo. Welcome to your reading. And this reading is for May 14 to May 17th. No? So, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakakapag-resonate or nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, dun po sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? That channel is catered for our international audience at nagla-live din po ako doon. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yun sa kabila, no? Kung wala naman po kayong time, no, para sumali sa live sessions, magandang balita kasi po, pwede ko pong sagutin ang inyong mga tanong o ang inyong mga agam-agam, no? Dito po sa channel na ito, no? And gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na ang tanong po should be answerable by yes or no. No? So Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or just pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours. Leo, pwedeng kayo po yung binabasahan ko or pwedeng yung person ninyo, no? Pwedeng nado kayo sa kabila. And simulan na natin. I think na medyo in separation kayo, no? Nitong taong mahal mo, which is more of distant. For a few numbers of you, I am seeing that this is an LDR, no commitment. Things are getting better. I'm seeing there are progress when it comes to, let's say, promises, intensity of the relationship per se. What I am also seeing in here, siguro meron po tayong mga konting mga challenges, no, dito sa ating relationship with the person. It could be you might probably saw each other sa dating site, no, online. It may not be dating site online, no. I think yung iba din sa inyo this is love at first sight. Meron lang separations as of the moment. It could be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Different barangay, no? Energetic separation. Ito po yung hindi kayo nag-uusap, merong konting tampuhan. So ngayon medyo, sabi nyo, siguro, magbabalikan ba kami, magkakaayos pa ba kami, may future, no, ba kaming dalawa. With the Knight of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, and the Fool card, so nakakita ko ng parang fluctuations of energy, which means na minsan, no, siguro itong relationship na ito minsan overwhelming na sobrang engaging, minsan naman sobrang cold. Nakakita din ako dito ng age gap. So you might be in a relationship with a May-December love affair, or if this is not a May-December love affair, may konting gap lang naman. If this is not the age that we're talking to, yung isa siguro is mature mag-isip, yung isa medyo childish, no? But either way, somewhat, it worked for some reason, no, with the Wheel of Fortune, especially when it comes to the finances, I can see somewhat ang ganda naman din. Either you or your person or the both of you are, yung flow ba ng money is okay. Six of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, and the Justice. What I love in this connection, ito po yung parang talagang give and take, no? So, let's say, if ever hindi ito a long distance relationship, no? Ako ngayon, sa susunod na out natin or dinner or date, no? Ikaw naman, no? So, maganda yung flow when it comes to, kasi nga, siguro both are financially okay. Meron silang mga sources, no? There's a strong energy here that you saw each other online. Meron nag-message, nag-initiate with the Queen of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, and the Page of Wands. I think because of the distance, ito yung nagiging sanhi, no, ng separations. Palaging merong challenges, away. Someone might also feel like that they are in a competition, no? Pwedeng may third party or hinala ng isa is may third party kasi nakakakita ng mga pictures or messages or what have you, no? For the other person to think na merong third party. With the Eight of Wands, the Hermit, and the Two of Cups. Ang maganda naman kasi dito is very vocal, no? When it comes to relationship and communication. Na vocal yung I don't like this, no? Gusto ko itong nangyayari, thank you, what have you. Sa sobrang pagka-vocal, lahat ng pag-uusapan, which is good, no? Kaso yung isa nga dito sensitive kasi medyo with the full card, no? Sabihin natin childish or immature, no? Yung the way how they perceive things. With the Lovers in here, the Three of Cups, and the Judgment, I feel like uuwi ito, magpapakita with the Three of Cups. There will be a celebration. The Lovers, I feel like this is, para mapag-ayos. Isa sa pakikipag-ayos dito is siguro pakikipag-isang dibdib. There's something going to happen in here, kind of like a celebration. This is not mandated or holiday. This is made by you guys. It could be monthsary, anniversary, what have you. With the Judgment in here, kahit sobrang layo, no? Nakikita ko magkakaayos pa din. And with the Judgment, no, wala pa rin namang iba, no, sa puso nitong taong to, or wala pa rin iba sa puso niya kundi ikaw pa rin, Leo, no, kahit may separations kayo. Never siyang nag-change ng emotion. Siguro may mga inis, pero when it comes to love, no, ikaw pa rin talaga ang tinitibok ng puso nito. So, this is your reading for now, Leo. Tignan natin, no, ang mga zodiac sign or ang zodiac sign ng person mo, no. Pwedeng ito ang kanyang sun sign or meron siyang ganitong placement sa kanyang chart, no. Water placement, well, I'm seeing Gemini, Libra, Cancer, no, Taurus, Aries, pwedeng kapwa Leo, no, Pisces, Virgo. Ayan. Yan ang iyong reading for now, Leo. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakakapag-resonate, and hit that notification bell. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, agam-agam sa buhay, sa baba po, nasa comment section, don't forget, no? Pwede kayong magtanong and the question should be answerable by yes or no. So this is your reading, Leo. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste and see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.